OMG Nation, look at this. AirMoto, they sent me out this smart air pump. It's the model BP198. Right here on the box, let me show you that. The applications say they're for a car, PSI from 26 to 51, motorcycle, PSI from 28 to 55, a bicycle, PSI from 20 to 120, and sports balls 3 to 14. I'm real excited because I have not even pulled this out of the box yet, and I can tell you this just by the box itself, it's going to fit inside of my swing arm bag. So here's the instructions. I'll take a quick look at them. This part right here is always extremely satisfying to me. Pull that off. Let's just cut it on to see if it actually has a charge. 1, 2, 3. So inside the box, looks like it comes with a USB to C connector. It also comes with an adapter. Let's just open it up. It also comes with the needle for a sports ball, and then of course the adapter. So you pull this out, screw it in right here. Now it's tight. I forgot to tell you guys it comes with this fancy little case right here too. Startup says to press for 3 seconds to turn on. You can put it in a brick for charging. It's recommended that you use a 5 volt to 2 amp 5 volt 2 amp for USB charging. And again, it has all of the different modes that you can use it on. You can press for 3 seconds to turn off as well. Press it right back on the little start button, and it'll look like it'll power itself off after a minute or two. So let's turn it back on. Currently it's set on PSI for a bicycle. So you push down. I just moved it over to a sports ball, to a car, and now to a motorcycle. Let's hook it up to the motorcycle and put some air in there. 42 is what we're looking for. So we're going to set it at 40 for the front tire. We're at 40 PSI. Right on the money. You see that? That's 40, right on the money. He was sitting right there. That's where we need it to be. Now let's go do the rear tire. So the rear tire is calling for 42 PSI. So let's put this in here. The front tire itself is calling for 40 PSI. It's sitting at 22. I don't know if this is going to show up or if it's going to do that little weird LED thing. But right now it's sitting at 22.5. Let's go. It says 42.5. Actually let it go a little too long, so let me... Yep, just a smidge too much. Alright, right on the button. This AirMoto, it did a great job. This thing is small enough to fit right in my swing arm bag. So you can take it with you, and you just press the button, hold it for 3 seconds, and it shuts off. Press the power button, 1, 2, 3, it shuts off. So what I'll do now is I'll take it for a ride just to see how it feels. I just measured, it was 40 on the front on the PSI cold, and my tires are cold. It was 42 on the back. Let's take it for a ride. I'm taking the fat boy out to see how the tire pressure feels since I filled it up with the AirMoto smart pump. And I'll tell you right now, so far so good. It feels very nice, very grippy. My tires feel like they're inflated where they need to be. Somebody just threw out a cigarette. Oh, dirty.
When your tires are inflated to where they need to be, brother, you get that good traction on the road, and it makes you feel safe. It just makes it for an all-around better driving experience. That's for sure. Whoa. Ooh. And for dodging as well. It's amazing to me, and you guys let me know down in the comments if you feel the same thing, but it's amazing to me how when your tire pressure is where it's supposed to be, or you get a brand new oil change, or you change anything on your bike, you replace any fluids, anything, does it feel like to you that the ride is better no matter what you do? Because to me, it does. Every single time I can change the fluids, it feels like it rides different. Of course, if you put new tires on, of course it feels like it rides different, because it probably does ride different. Even when I put the new headlight, and I put that new headlight and I rode at night, I could see different. I could see better. And it changed my ride. Simply because I could see, brothers. What the heck is this? Is this a poopy truck in front of me? So I'm gonna run over here back to Tampa. That's a merge into a merge. Alright, so now this is saying go to 275. I like staying in the right-hand lane on the interstate anyways, because of the buffoonery out here. People drive like maniacs. I was just searching for that elusive 6th gear that the fat boy doesn't have, brothers. I should probably go get my gearbox changed out, get one with a 6th gear. I mean, I've only had this bike for 20 years, and I've been searching for that 6th gear for 20 years. And I have a buddy, a really good buddy of mine named Mark, that has a similar... Oh, I just lost my strike hold hat. Whoop. We got to go get that. I can't lose the strike hold hat. I don't know how this is going to work out. But I definitely can't lose the strike hold hat. Let's see where it's at. Oh, I see it. It's right there in the middle of the road. Hopefully it'll blow back over to me. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's blowing. It's blowing to the side. Come on. A little bit more. Blow it to the side. How important is this hat? It's pretty dang important. Lose it on the interstate, drive back down to get it. I'm gonna park. Hopefully I'm not running into any nails. There it is. Now I just gotta kind of figure out how in the heck I'm gonna get it. Oh, don't you take off, strike hold hat. You stay where you're at. Son of a... There it is right there. They blew it to me. Yeah, I got you. The boys over at Strikehold are gonna love this. Oh my goodness. Let's put you in here. How important is that Strikehold hat? It's pretty dang important.
Hey everyone, I appreciate you watching today's episode on this AirMoto Smart Air Pump. This little piece right here, it comes right off. You just unscrew it. Drop it right down inside of there. It makes a little click noise. Let you know that it's in there safe. It won't fall out. Hey everyone, I appreciate you watching today's episode on this AirMoto Smart Air Pump. I appreciate the guys at AirMoto sending this out to me. There will be a link down in the description where you can get yours. This is going to be one of those things that you see quite a bit in future episodes because I will constantly carry this with me. I appreciate you watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, I'm on a quest to 100,000 subscribers. I'm just under 6,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the OMG Nation. Keep it old school. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Stall.
Bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.